Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with the last two items in the bag. Are we saving the best for last? Who knows? So this is just stuff that I thought was super cute and I really wanted it and I got it. So anyway, these are pins. So let's see what the first one is. Just little like lapel pins or stick pins or... This is Mulder and Scully. The truth is out there. I love this pin so much. The X-Files was one of my favorite shows ever. I love Mulder and Scully. Look how cute that pin is. It's adorable. So you can see here it's got the nice little thing to cover the pin so you could keep the inside of your blouse safe. You could put that on a hat. You could put that on your blouse. You could put that on a scarf. So this was only $2.30 Canadian. It is an enamel pin. It's got a nice thickness. I am very, very happy with this pin. I think it's adorable. Mulder looks scared. Scully looks better. And Scully has Nancy Drew hair from my books, Nancy Drew. And we have one more pin. This pin was cheaper. This pin was $1.84. So let's see how it looks. Oh, I love it. We're all mad here. It's Alice in Wonderland going into a book. I love that. And it also has this pinch pin. What is this called? Like a pinch pin, yeah. Can you see that? The other one had the screw top one. I was expecting it to be the long pins where you shove it into a thing at the bottom, but these are fine too. So I really like that. That is super cute. We're all mad here. And the truth is out there. I love my new pins. Let me know in the comments what you think of them and which one is your favorite. I really love them both, but I would say the truth is out there is my favorite because it has more color. But I love that one too. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting. Bye, guys.